Alright, so today we will be making a vegan shepherd's pie, and we're getting all the ingredients we need ready. So, for the meat portion of the pie, we will be using Yves vegan veggie ground. This is really good stuff. It's made out of TVP, or textured vegetable protein. It tastes really good. Makes this extremely easy to make, and one of the benefits of this is it is extraordinarily high in zinc. And this is basically what it looks like when it's in the package. You're also going to need some onions. This is optional. Jasmine's going to include this in her shepherd's pie. I don't want it, but you can use cheese shreds. You're also going to need potatoes, mushrooms, and some canned veggies. We got some canned carrots and canned peas. You can use fresh veggies, but we're lazy. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot, you will need some sort of vegan milk for the mashed potatoes. Here we've got just original silk
Guess it's actually
cashew
optional.
milk.
Like
Yeah, it's optional. You don't really need it, but you know, it's how it's usually made.
Usually it's with butter, but...
Yeah, but we use this. Step 1, you want to peel your potatoes. You also want to make sure you cut the potatoes into smaller pieces because then it reduces the boiling time, and then it'll be about 15-20 minutes to boil them. This dog wants a shepherd's pie. And Jasmine's just rinsing the potatoes here. She says it's a good idea to rinse potatoes.
But my mom taught me, I don't even know if it matters.
Yeah, I don't know either.
I'm just doing what my mom told me to do.
Do what your mom told you. Okay?
My mom told me to.
And we're just waiting for the potatoes to boil in here. It should be only like about 15 minutes. And Jasmine is preparing the canned vegetables here. We're just gonna rinse them out. Yeah, so these are sweet onions. I don't think I've ever had sweet onions. They smell different. You can use any type of onion you want, but we just got the sweet onions from the store. And we're gonna use some avocado oil here. Avocado oil is good with high heat cooking, so we use avocado oil. Yeah.
And you wanna simmer this for about 10 minutes. The onion.
Just the onion?
Just the onion.
Don't be violent to onions, please.
I don't have any anger problems at all.
A little smaller. I like chunky mushrooms, but not quite that chunky. Yeah, that's good.
In eighths?
Yeah, I suppose. Now we're just chopping up the mushrooms. Then we're gonna add that into there. So now we're just gonna mix in the mushrooms.
Well, I like them on the top, because they'll just heat up and not burn from the pan and everything.
Okay.
Then that way you don't have to add any extra oil.
And now we're just going to mix in the Yves veggie ground.
Just gonna open the packages so I can do it at the same time.
Yeah.
Otherwise I get triggered.
We're using 2 packages because we're making 2 batches. One for myself and one for Jasmine because she needs her mashed potatoes with cheese.
Well, if you make this, you can calculate this as if it's for 4 people.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at that nice block of TVP.
I feel like I'm pushing dog poop out of the pack. That's what it feels like. You're welcome.
I've never pushed out dog poop out of the pack before.
No, but I do touch dog poop on a daily basis.
Yeah. Just gotta mush it up. It's kind of clumpy at first. Smells a lot better than actual meat. Okay, our potatoes should be done now.
Okay. Keep this pot handy for the mashed potatoes.
Okay. Oh no! So we're just putting the meat portion into the bottom. Is this mine or is this mine?
I don't care.
Can I have the one that's bigger?
Okay.
Okay, so the amount of veggie ground we used isn't quite enough, so we're going to use another pack, and Jasmine's just cooking some mushrooms and onions right now. Then we're going to mix in another pack, and then we'll be ready to combine the carrots and peas.
Huzzah.
and potatoes. Jasmine's just adding a bit of salt to the potatoes. She's a mashed potato expert.
Correct.
She has a black belt in mashed potatoes. And this is some nutmeg. I've never had, well, I guess I've never really eaten mashed potatoes before, kind of. Never seen anyone put nutmeg. So that's a pinch.
Dutch thing that we do.
So 2 pinches of nutmeg. That looks oddly satisfying. Seeing it become like a weird goop. Kind of looks like ice cream. And it's mushed like that.
Potato ice cream.
Yeah, potato ice cream. Okay. Now Jasmine's just gonna pour in a little bit of cashew milk. Just pour in enough to get the kind of consistency that you want.
Do it with very tiny little bits because it might get too goopy.
Yeah. She likes much more thicker mashed potatoes.
Potato paste.
Yeah, she likes potato paste. Or potato ice cream, if you will. Oh, and by the way, at this point you should preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
395.
Whatever, 395 to be
whatever,
exact.
395.
It's just 5 degrees.
It's a difference in cooking time, so it's important.
Okay, well, 395 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, now, you mix in those carrots and peas, finally.
Never!
Jasmine's intentionally trying to irritate me by not putting the carrots and peas in. It's triggering me. They're just sitting there.
Autism activate! Yeah, that didn't totally waste 30 minutes of our time. That didn't happen.
Just pretend like we did it right. The first time. Stop flattening it. You have to put the carrots and peas in. There's no point.
You've legit never made a dish like this.
God. Aren't you supposed to evenly distribute the carrots and peas?
Just shut up and watch. This is hard to evenly spread. I think we don't have enough vegetable.
Whatever, I think we do. These are smaller peas than I'm kind of used to.
Yeah, the canned peas are small and the frozen one are like really huge. This is very sticky.
Oh, the oven's ready.
Okay, this might not be ideal for what we're doing.
What? It's too thick? She made it too thick, everybody.
But I like it thick.
You heard it here first. She likes it thick. Turns out we didn't make enough potatoes, so we're gonna just cook some more potatoes. We prepared some extra mashed potatoes. It seems like if you're gonna make just one bowl of this, that's enough mashed potatoes, like the 10 we boiled earlier, but...
8.
Yeah, 8. But if you're gonna make 2 thingies, then you're gonna want some extra.
Yeah, like at least double. And
Yeah.
make triple to be safe.
Yeah, that's what it should look like before it enters the oven. That's the anatomy of a shepherd's pie. Jasmine's just gonna add some cheddar cheese, vegan cheddar cheese, obviously. Slices on hers. She's using vegan gourmet Earth Island.
This really stinks. It has orangutans on the back, by the way.
Yeah, orangutans. Guess it uses palm oil, but it's like sustainable palm oil.
Yeah, it says Rainforest Alliance certified palm oil.
Yeah, there you go.
So, yeah. That. Whatever that means.
I didn't want any cheese on mine because I'm avoiding stuff like that. And that's just gonna bake for 20 minutes.
Correct.
Gonna give Finn a bit of mashed potato.
Look at him.
Oh my god.
Look at his head.
He appears to enjoy mashed potato. Alright, and here it is out of the oven.
Pretty much looks exactly the same.
Yeah, didn't brown at all.
It's because there's no butter in it, I think. Feels a little weird. Feels like cardboard.
Jasmine doesn't have any pants on.
plate, okay.
Oh. Oh my god. Yay. Well, there you go. There's the shepherd's pie. Now we're going to
Came out way better than I
eat
expected.
it. Yeah, it actually came out pretty damn good.
You try a piece, tell us how it is. It's okay. It's okay. Just try a piece.